Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. Back out here at Weatherby Lake, where we're tearing out, getting ready to pour some concrete. Mike's not here yet. This is going to be the new pad for these folks. Sprinkler heads running everywhere. We knew this sprinkler guy. He's on it. We saved this pile of dirt right here with the rock mixed in, thinking that we'll build a wall. We're going to extend and thicken the edge there where that wall of dirt is there and build a stone wall. It's a mess right now, but it won't be for long. King Piers out here in Weatherby Lake. For all your foundation concrete needs, call me 816-521-8915, or you can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.